Hello and welcome viewers, I am Pia and you're watching NewsX. Now the monsoon is showing no signs of mercy this week with Maharashtra, Odisha and Uttarakhand among the worst hit. In Mumbai itself, over 265 millimeters of rain have been reported in 24 hours, which triggered a deadly building collapse in the Mankhurd area that killed 6 people and shut the city's airport runway for an hour, as well as forced authorities to close all schools and colleges today. The Mumbai-Pune Expressway and rail link have also been cut off after landslides hit the Ghat section. Meanwhile, in the east, a depression over the Bay of Bengal is set to cross the North Odisha coast, with the IMD now warning of heavy rainfall for Odisha and West Bengal in the coming hours. Kerala, meanwhile, is also under orange alert, with landslide-prone districts told to move to safer ground. And in the hills, Uttarakhand continues to battle landslides that have blocked the Badrinath highway and disrupted the Kedarnath Yatra route as well, with rivers running in spate and more heavy rain forecast over the next 48 hours. With the IMD sounding alerts in multiple states, authorities are urging citizens to avoid unnecessary travel as the monsoon tightens its grip on the country. With me on the broadcast are my colleagues from across the country. With us live is Akshay Maharana from Odisha, Nitesh Shukla from Bhopal and Shweta Verma from Mumbai. Of course, we've been seeing visuals coming in from across the country. Shweta, I'll come across to you first. We've been tracking the story since morning. That is what's really happened in the Mankhurd area of Mumbai. Devastation, of course, after 2 to 3 shanties in a ground plus 3 structure collapsed in Janta Nagar. Rescue teams continue to work at the site as the aftermath of the tragedy unfolds. 6 people have reportedly lost their lives. But of course, at the same time, we do know that Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has now, in fact, come out and declared an ex gratia of rupees 4 lakh for each of the deceased kin. Shweta.
That's absolutely right, Pia. In fact, as we understand that monsoon continues to wreak havoc in the maximum city. And yesterday, what transpired is something very unfortunate. In Mankhurd Nagar, we are given to understand that there's a place called Janta Nagar where 2 to 3 shanties came down collapsing altogether. And 6 people, in fact, lost their life and 3 people left injured. These people are getting treated in nearby 2 hospitals that are government hospitals. Having said that, Pia, in fact, just a short while back, this information had come from Maharashtra's Chief Minister's office, where CM Devendra Fadnavis has in fact announced ex gratia of 5 lakh rupees to the kin of the deceased that are the victims in this entire collapse that has taken place in Jantanagar area of Mankhurd in Mumbai. Having said that, Pia, we have been seeing that past a week there have been multiple deaths that are being reported, unfortunately, from tree collapsing, or you talk about the open manhole, and now the dilapidated building, in fact, the shanties that came down collapsing, killing 6 people. And as of now, we speak, the NDRF team is also deployed there at the very spot with the rescue team there, and the rescue operation is underway. Remember, it is heap of debris that has been accumulated there, and the work is ongoing so that the debris can be removed out. And there are people being trapped or not is something, a fear that has been lingering in the officials' mind as well. So as we speak, Pia, the debris is being removed from the very spot in Mankhurd area.
Absolutely. Stay on with us. We're also learning that the famed Dabbawala service will remain suspended today due to torrential rainfall across Mumbai. What are you learning as far as that is concerned? This is, of course, come in light of all the waterlogging, traffic disruptions that have, in fact, impacted people's lives, Shweta.
Well, that's absolutely right, Pia. In fact, as we are getting to understand that the Dabbawala, remember the culture is from 125 years in the MMR region, but today the Dabbawala services remain to be suspended owing to the fact that we have been seeing from past 24 hours, the city of Mumbai has been witnessing more than 100 mm of rainfall. And today, in fact, Mumbai has been sounded with an orange alert. Keeping this into background, we have been seeing that the Dabbawala services, which provides Dabba to more than 5 lakh people across Mumbai, today it's been kept suspended. And having said that, it's not only Mumbai with orange alert, but remember Palghar with red alert, KDMC with red alert as well.
Absolutely. One last piece of information we're tracking as far as Mumbai is concerned. Akasa Air has issued a travel advisory warning passengers of flight delays across its network due to heavy rainfall in Mumbai, Pune, Goa as well. The airline has said the situation is beyond its control, but has assured travelers that its teams remain on standby to assist with any disruptions. Shweta, how has the Mumbai airport really been impacted by all of this heavy rainfall that has been taking place? Yes, diversions have been reported, disruptions are taking place, now cancellations?
That's right, Pia. In fact, due to the adverse weather, now the aviation industry is keeping a precautionary measure, and they have been issuing the warning, or you'd call a circular that has been issued on their social media platforms. To begin with, the Air Akasa had very categorically stated to its customer that before you step out of your homes, understand the flight status and then move accordingly. There are multiple flights that are being diverted or being cancelled. Having said that, we have been also seeing Indigo on the similar lines. In fact, they diverted 4 flights of theirs. Similarly, we talk about Air India. In fact, Air India has also issued a circular on X talking about the adverse weather in and across Mumbai, and the flights are possible that it might be delayed for hours or it might get diverted. So clearly, seeing that how monsoon wreaking havoc in the maximum city, it's not just the roadways or the railways, but of course, airways are also taking the precautionary measures and asking their customers to stay alert and understand the flight status before they step out of their homes.
Absolutely. We're tracking news coming in from Odisha as well. Even as Mumbai still reels under heavy rainfall that has left the city practically in limbo, the situation is also worsening in Odisha's Subarnapur district, where continuous rainfall has left